After the shift management is HR admin setup, a comprehensive module containing 9 submodules where we can manage critical transitions such as awards, terminations, resignation, warning, complaint, promotion, transfer, holidays, employee exit management within the company. First is awards, where you can view the company's award list, including the employee's name, award, gift item, and awarded date. And by clicking the award types button in the top right corner, you can view total award types and add new award type. And after that, there is an add award button to grant an award to any employee. Second is termination, where you can view the termination list with details like the employee's name, termination type, notice date, etc. And by clicking the termination types button in the top right corner, you can see all termination types or use the button add termination types button to add new termination type. And then there is an add termination button to create a new termination. Third is resignation, where you can track the resignation list along with details like employee name, resignation date, last date, and status. And you can easily add a new resignation by clicking the Add Resignation button. Fourth is warning, which is used to issue and track formal warnings. In this submodules, we can view the current warning list with details like subject, employees, and warning date. And you can add a new warning using the Add Warning button. Fifth is complaints, allowing you to view all internal complaints, their subjects, dates, and the employees involved. And you can add a new complaint via the Add Complaint button in the top right corner. Sixth is promotion, where you can monitor the company's promotion list with details like employee name, promotion date, and post. And you can use the Add Promotion button in the top right corner to add a new promotion. Seventh is transfer, which tracks employee transfers between different branches or departments, displaying the employee's name, new branch and department, and transfer date, while allowing you to initiate new transfers using the Add Transfer button in the top right corner. Eighth is holidays, where you can view all company holidays with the event name, event date, and status. And you have the option to manually add a holiday using Add Holiday or use Import Holiday CSV to quickly upload an external file. Finally, the ninth submodule is Employee Exit Management, where you can view the list of employees who have left the organization with their exit code, employee name, department, exit type, etc. Or create an exit request by clicking the Submit Exit Request button in the top right corner.